Dave with Silencer Shop. Today we're going to spend a few minutes with the Silencer Co. Saker 762 suppressor. We're out at the Best of the West range with Silencer Co. to kind of play around with this thing, see how it does. If you put it the Saker 762 against the Saker 556, you can see that size-wise they're actually very similar. It is just about an inch longer. The Saker 762 also kind of dispenses with the Hopalong blast baffle that they had in the 556 version because they decided it wasn't necessary for a 308 can. We're basically going to put this on multiple platforms today, kind of see how it does, and you'll be kind of seeing the first we're shooting it, so let's see how it does. The first weapon we're going to test on is a 556 AR-15. Has a 12.5-inch barrel, and let's shoot it unsuppressed first. Okay, now we're going to see how the Saker 762 does on an AR-15 556 weapon. Okay, that was the first time I've ever shot the Saker 762 on a 556 weapon. Honestly, it was actually pretty dang impressive. Performed extremely well suppression-wise. Also noticeably less blowback. It's you can kind of always tell with the 762 cans on the 556s anyway. But honestly, pretty impressed so far. Let's put it against the Saker 556 and see how it compares. So far, the Saker 762 has been pretty dang impressive, but we were just talking to the Silencer Co. guys, and they said if we put a 556 end cap on the Saker 762, it's going to bring it down even a little bit more. So we're going to put 5 more rounds through the Saker 762 on a 556 AR 12.5-inch barrel. This is with the 556 end cap on the Saker. Okay, we tried the Saker 762 out on the 556 platform. It was actually very impressive on that platform. Now we're going to try it out with a full power 308. This is an 18-inch gun. We're using M118 LR ammo. You can see the muzzle brake that the Saker 762 is going to ship with. This is the device that's going to come with it instead of the flash hider that comes with the 556. But let's try it out to get a baseline first, and then we'll shoot it with the suppressor. Now we're going to see how the Saker 762 does on the 308. Okay, the 300 Blackout, especially shot out of a little platform like this is a little 9-inch gun. We're going to use subsonic ammo. Just an extremely fun combination. And I think that the 762 Saker is going to be really a popular suppressor for this. In this case, we are going to be mounting the Saker to the AAC-51T mount. Let's see how it does unsuppressed. Okay, I just want to show before we shoot this how this suppressor is going to mount onto the 51T mount. Essentially just drop it on, twist it on just like you would an AAC suppressor, then twist that locking ring on the back. You're good to go. So let's see how the Saker 762 does on the 9-inch subsonic 300 Blackout. I hope this video was helpful. We're going to spend the next few weeks, especially once we get our own demo cam, we're going to do a lot more testing with the Saker 762 up against some other suppressors. We'll kind of spend some time with it, kind of see what it does in different situations. But at least as an initial impression, it's actually a very impressive suppressor. It feels a lot like the Saker 5.56. Just the idea that you can put the Saker 5.56 end cap on it and get that additional performance on the 5.56 weapon. Today it was actually outperforming the Saker 5.56 on the 5.56 platform. Overall, I expect these to be super popular suppressors. If you have any other questions, be sure to check us out at www.silencershop.com.